good morning. Welcome back to my new video. Day 4. I am practicing in English. Day 4. Um, I am beginning in English. I want to speak in English within 6 months. Fully in fluently talk to English. So I decided to practicing in English on to record myself and uploaded on YouTube. You are guided me how speak and what are my mistake I made on my journey, and I analyze myself what I made mistake. uh, now time is 5:30 5:15 in the morning. I am walking in my ground, in my home ground. This is my child school. I pass out 2005 on 5 standard and go to another school, is private school. After my matriculation or 10th pass, I go to another school, and now I am a college student in 5th semester. My background is commerce background. My college is around 6 month is 6 month is up, and then I pass out in college. So I decided to improve myself in communication, and self motivated, and also English speaking, improving my English speaking. So I decided to talk to in English. So generally I firstly think in English in my mind, and then I talk to in your front of you, and thank you. Sorry. So basically, what is problem? So many people suddenly come to the ground for walking. So I am hesitant to talk to front of these people. So I stop this video, and I walking 30 minutes around, and then only one man in the ground have no clear visibility. हाँ इधर ओ यहाँ पर इधर. So basically I am so fully hesitate in talk to front of these people. First time, time to time this is improve, and God help me, or I you know what is the problem. So basically I do fully hesitate. So one man is have in the ground, see doing exercise. So now he is leaving now. So now is fully independent in the ground is empty, only I am here now talk to. So my college is now only have 6 months. So I decided to improve myself, boys are after college, some doing some work, doing work for my career. So basically I started. So why I decided to upload in my practicing video on YouTube. So basically, my first reason is my English improve is so much better. Few days ago, only 3 days ago, my English is full week. I don't think in English. I don't think in English. Don't think talk to English. Now after day 3, my mind is some think in English. So when I walk, running, walking, whenever I go, I try to think in English. So what I see, I try to speak in English. So my mind is now think in English, and I around record myself three videos and uploaded, but multiple time I have recorded for this output on these 3 videos. This video is have on YouTube. You can watch and feed me comments this video what I made, what is the improving I made, what I improving in this video, and my talking, what I do for my improving my English so much better, and fluently I talk. You when you watch my past 3 videos, you see what is the problem, what is the level when I first talk to English. My first video when I record my first video, firstly I write the script, full video script I write, then I record one sentence by sentence I record one sentence. Firstly I read this and practicing in mirror, or when walking, this sentence practicing, and then when I fluently speak this sentence, then I record myself in front of camera. Now this what is the problem is when I write the script, my problem is I am don't record myself. What is the problem is what is called when I record myself, my emotion is not directly connect with the camera. So I decided to no write and pick up the phone and record myself. When what is I think, what is I talk to the camera directly. So what is the my improving day? Only 2 videos. These videos I record now. I record 2 videos, and one video is uploaded on YouTube yesterday. So you can watch. Please support. So what I talk, yes. So this when I record myself randomly talking, my improve so much better. You can see what is my better, what is my improving. First day my improve is my talking, talking is 0 what I 0 and now I one anyone I not to speak in camera. Now you can see I around 10 to 8 minutes I continuous talk in the camera. This is my improving I see. So for my future improving, you can support, please support this channel, subscribe this channel, like this video, and comment this video what I made mistake in this video. So basically I working in my in ground, so see the ground, then I work some mirror what is the call, टुकड़े को क्या बोलते हैं यार, stone is here, some mirror is here, broken mirrors, so I see and then I work. So this is my practicing. So please comment in this video what I made mistake and what is my improving. Please see in this see my past videos, past 3 videos, please, and support this and subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you next video. Now I decided is I record daily myself and uploaded daily day-to-day video like Saurabh Joshi and day-to-day video, and 1 2 3 shorts in day and 1 long video in uploaded this channel. So thank you. This is my speaking practice, and see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.